Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, it's starting to look a lot like Christmas out here, up here, and time to start the Christmas cookies. And this is one of my favorite books. Of course, you can tell how much I've used it. That was the church that I grew up in. It's no longer around. And we are going to do, actually, one of my mother's fudge recipes. So we're going to need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 can of the condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 cups of peanuts, and 10 ounces of the miniature marshmallows. Now it's supposed to go in a lined 9x13 pan, and don't know what box that might be in, so I'm going to use this one. I've lined it with parchment paper. So our first step is I've got the pot of about this much water in it, and I like this bowl because I can turn it and stir. And how about we turn this on, Cindy? Yeah. Okay, let's get that water bubbling there. And we're gonna put the chocolate chips, the milk, and the butter in there over low heat. So we're just mixing those all up until all those chocolate chips are completely melted. Now be careful removing that from the pan of water. If you had a double boiler, use a double boiler. I don't have a double boiler, so that's why I use this bowl. Now, we've removed it from the heat, and we're gonna add our vanilla. Just 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. Too bad it's like $25 a bottle up here. And give that a little stir. And we're going to add our 2 cups of peanuts, minus this one. We're just going to mix that up, and we are going to cool this until it's lukewarm. We don't want it hot because we don't want to melt our marshmallows. Another fudge recipe that I'm going to do maybe tomorrow, you do melt the marshmallows into the mixture, but this one, we don't want our marshmallows melted. So once this is all folded up, and all the peanuts are in there, just let it sit there and cool down till it's lukewarm, and we'll be back. Now that didn't take very long at all, like just a couple minutes, and it's lukewarm. So now we're gonna add 10 ounces of marshmallows. Oh, Daisy looks like she's gonna get one. Fell on the floor. We're just going to mix that all up. Now I'm going to attempt to dump that all in there. Oops. Push it up against the paper so the paper doesn't fall down. Oh, does not look good. There we go. Does not look good. Now we're just going to pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours until it's completely, it'll chill and it will firm up, and then see you later. Well, they've been in the fridge for a couple hours now, and I use a bench knife. It's just easier for me. And I just cut them into, oh, should we go squares with these ones maybe? I like to do different sizes so the plates aren't just all the same. And so, well, they're not quite firm, but look at that. What do you think? And now I just pop these in the freezer, and I'll go on to my next cookie that I make, pop them in the freezer, and I keep going, putting them all in the freezer. And when I'm done baking, then I take them out of the freezer and I put a few in each tin that I'm going to give away or keep.